students, a warm welcome to mathematics class. Today we are moving to our next chapter, chapter 5, division. Do you know what is a division? Yes, division is a process of separating something into equal parts. We are dividing something into equal parts. Then the symbol of division is this one. Then there are some terms related to division. They are dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. The number which is to be divided is known as dividend. Then the number which divides the dividend is known as divisor, and the answer obtained or result is known as quotient. Then the leftover, if any, then that is known as remainder. Once again, the number which is to be divided is known as dividend. Then the number which divides the dividend is known as divisor. Then the result or answer obtained is known as quotient. Finally, the leftover, if any, is known as remainder. In second standard, we learned division using tables. For example, 30 divided by 6 equal to dash. How we are finding? First, we have to recall the multiplication table of 6. How many times 6 is 30? For that, we know that 6 into 5 is 30. So, 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. You already learned here. This 30, the number which is to be divided, this number is known as dividend. Then, the number which divides this dividend is known as divisor. And finally, the answer obtained is known as quotient. It's known as quotient. Here, 30 is known as dividend, 6 is called divisor, and 5 is known as quotient. Children, now we are leaving some topics and today we are moving to properties of division. First property, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Once again, when a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. We will see some examples. Then 9 divided by 9 equal to, what is the answer? Yes, the quotient is always 1. 9 divided by 9 equal to 1. The next one, 2 divided by 2. What is the answer? Yes, 1. The next one, 25 divided by 25 is equal to 1. So, first property, when a number is divided by itself, that means by the same number, the quotient is always 1. Then second property, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is number itself. Once again, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Examples, 9 divided by 1. What is the answer? The quotient will be the number itself. That is 9. Then 2 divided by 1. What will be the answer? Yes, 2. Then 12 divided by 1. That is equal to 12. So, when a number is divided by 1, the quotient is always the number itself. And last property, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Once again, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. That means 0 divided by 9. What will be the quotient? Yes, quotient is always 0. Therefore, our answer is 0. Then 0 divided by 10 is equal to 0. One more example. 0 divided by 24 equal to 0. So, third property, when 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. Children, moving to next topic, dividing 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Here we are using long division method. Long division method is used to divide small or large numbers. It breaks down the division problem into simple steps. So first question, divide 48 by 2, or we can write like this, 48 in symbol of division by 2. First we have to write 48 divided by 2. Like this you have to write. Here 48 is known as the dividend and 2 is the divisor. First step, we have to divide the tens digit of the dividend by 2. For that we have to recite the multiplication table of 2 till we get a number equal to 4 or less than 4. So you can write the table in the working column, that is 2 into 1 equal to 2, then 2 into 2 equal to 4. So here we got 4. That means 2 2s are 4. So write 2 here. Then we have to multiply this 2 into 2 and write 4 here. Just below this 4 you have to write 4. Then you have to minus 4 minus 4, 0. Then we have to bring down this ones digit of the dividend to here, that is 8. Then we have to recite the table of 2 till we get number equal to 8 or less than 8. Here we got 2 into 3 equal to 6, 2 into 4 equal to 8. Here 2 times 4 is 8. So what is the answer here? 4. So write 4 here. Then 4 into 2, 8. Then minus 8 minus 8, 0. Here we got 24 as the quotient. This is the quotient. Then 48 is known as the dividend. Then 0 is known as the remainder. And 2 is known as the divisor. Clear? Second question, divide 36 by 3. So write like this, 36 by 3. So first we have to divide the tens digit of the dividend by this divisor 3. Here 3 divided by 3. We learn any number divided by the same number, the quotient is always 1. So we can write 1 here. And 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Then we have to subtract. We have to minus 3 minus 3, 0. And what is the next step? Yes, we have to bring down the ones digit of the dividend. That is 6. Then we have to recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get the number equal to 6 or less than 6. That means 3 into 1 equal to 3. Then 3 into 2 equal to 6. So here we got 6. How many times? 2 times. So write 2. Then 3 into 2, 6. Then subtract. 6 minus 6, 0. Here also we got remainder 0. Here 36 is known as the dividend, 12 is the quotient, 3 is the divisor and 0 is the remainder. Next, third question, divide 84 by 4. 84 by 4. So first we have to divide the tens digit of the dividend by this divisor 4. For that, we have to recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get the number 8 or less than 8. So 4 into 1 equal to 4. Then 4 into 2 equal to 8. Here we got 8. How many times? 2 times. So in quotient, we have to write 2. Then we have to multiply 2 into 4. That is equal to 8. And what we have to do? Yes, we have to subtract 8 minus 8. 0. Then we have to bring down this ones digit of the dividend. We have to bring down, that is 4. Then 4 divided by 4. What is the answer? We learned that it is always 1. So write 1. Then 1 into 4 equal to 4. Then subtract. And 4 minus 4, 0. Here also we got the remainder as 0. Then next topic, dividing 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with remainder. In last 3 questions, we see that remainder is 0. Here some difference is there. That is first question, divide 67 by 3. 67 by 3. So first step, we have to divide the tens digit of the dividend by the divisor 3. For that, we have to recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get 6 or less than 6. That means 3 into 1 equal to 3. Then 3 into 2 equal to 6. So here we got 6. How many times? 6. That is 2. So write 2. Then 2 into 3. That is equal to 6. Then we have to subtract. That is 6 minus 6. 0. Then we have to bring down the 1 digit of the dividend. That is equal to 7. Then we have to recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get number 7 or less than 7. Here we next also 3 into 3 equal to 9. Here we got the number that is greater than 7. So which number we have to take? This number 6. How many times? 3 into 2 is 6. So we have to write this 6. This 3 into 2 6. Then subtract 7 minus 6 1. Here we got the remainder as 1. Here 67 is the dividend, 22 is the quotient, 3 is the divisor and 1 is the remainder. Then second question, divide 45 by 4. So first we have to divide the tens digit of the dividend by this 4. That is 4 divided by 4. It is always 1. So write 1. 1 into 4, 4. Then subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. Then we have to bring down the ones digit of the dividend. That is equal to 5. Then we have to recite the multiplication table of 4 till we get 5 or less than 5. That is 4 into 1 equal to 4. And 4 into 2 equal to 8. Here we got 8. That means it is greater than 5. So which number we have to take? Here 4 is, we are taking 4. That means 4 into 1 equal to 4. So we have to write 1 itself. 1 into 4. That is equal to 4. Then subtract. 5 minus 1. Sorry, 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Here also we got the remainder as 1. Then moving to third question. Divide 14 by 3. Here in tens digit of the dividend, we can see that it is smaller than this divisor. So what we are doing? We have to take this number full. That means 14. We have to divide 14 by 3. Then we have to recite the multiplication table of 3 till we get 14 or less than 14. That means 3 into 1 equal to 3. Then 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Then 3 into 5 equal to 15. Here our dividend is 14. Here we got 15. So we can't take this 15. So we have to take this 12. That means 3 into 4 is 12. So here we have 4. Then 4 into 3 equal to 12. Then 12. Then we have to subtract. That is 4 minus 2, 2. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So here we got the remainder as 2. Then fourth question, divide 18 by 5. Here we can see that the tens digit of the dividend is less than 5. So what we are doing? Yes, we have to take this number as 4. That means 18 divided by 5. For that we have to recite the multiplication table of 5 till we reach 18 or less than 18. So 5 into 1 equal to 5. 5 into 2 equal to 10. 5 into 3 equal to 15. 5 into 4 equal to 20. Here our number is 18. Here this is greater than 18. So we are taking this 15. That means 5 into 3 is 15. So which number we have to write as quotient? Yes, we have to write 3. Then 5 into 3. That is 15. Then we have to subtract. 8 minus 5, 3. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So we got the remainder as 3. So children, today we learned how we are dividing 2-digit number by a 1-digit number with remainder and without remainder. I hope it is clear. Thank you.